Stephen Bartlett tells a story about a leader who needed approval to run a $20,000 marketing test. The approval cycle took 9 months. A different leader at the same company said, "Do it now." That test delivered 15 million new followers to the brand. The first leader was treating a hat like a tattoo. The framework is James Clear's from Atomic Habits. A hat is cheap and reversible. You try it on, it does not fit, you take it off. The cost of being wrong is near zero. A haircut is medium cost and recoverable. You commit, live with it for a while, and if it was wrong, it grows back. A tattoo is permanent or near permanent. The cost of getting it wrong is enormous. Clear's observation: 99% of the things you do are hats or haircuts. The diagnosis is that most leaders treat them all like tattoos. Here is what this looks like applied to your actual roadmap. Building an internal dashboard for your ops team is a hat. It is a UI on top of three database tables that your operations director will use to stop asking five people the same question every day. With modern AI tooling, it exists by Wednesday. If the first version is wrong, you change it Thursday. You do not run a 16-week procurement process for a hat. You do not hire a $400 an hour consulting team to scope a hat. Choosing a CRM is a haircut. It involves a migration, some training, a quarterly disruption. But switching is allowed. The CRM industry depends on companies forgetting that switching is allowed. Modifying your ERP is a tattoo. Slow down, bring in the specialists, pay the consultant, run the staging environment, test against the 18 edge cases. Tattoos deserve the meeting. Three forces push decisions up the cost ladder. First, loss aversion. Your gut treats reversible decisions as permanent. Second, signaling. Careful deliberation looks like competence, so the organizational gradient pushes toward more process, regardless of whether the decision warrants it. Third, the consulting industry, which has built its entire pricing model around exactly this miscategorization. That last point is where this connects to the middleware tax. The middleware tax is what you pay when your organization cannot tell a hat from a tattoo. Consultancies do not cause the miscategorization, they harvest it. Look at your next quarter of work. Put each item honestly into one of the three buckets. Almost everything in the bottom half of your roadmap is a hat. Most of what you are scoping, like a tattoo, is actually